Are we live? Just a sec, I'll check. Yeah, I think we are live. Hold on. Yeah, we are live. Yeah. All right, everyone. Welcome back to my stream. If you're new to my stream, my name is Abhishek Sharma, and I'm trying to build my own SaaS. And this is day 7 of that. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started. Just a sec. Lokesh B. Hello, Lokesh. Welcome back to my stream, brother. How are you? Just a sec. Here, let's add rule it like subscribe. Okay, and live chat. Fine. Stream health is fine. Do let me know, guys, if there's any lag or anything. Fine. Prince Developer, hello. Hello, Prince. Welcome back to my stream. Brahmacharini, hi. Hello, Brahmacharini. Welcome to my stream. Oh no, my code. Now that you have 2K subs, do brands reach out to you? No, man. Not yet. Front end, SRC, modules, booking service. And here, one Notion. Brahmacharini, bro, looking cool today. Thanks, man. Thanks, Brahmacharini. Lokesh B, all good, bro. What about you? I am fine, Lokesh. How are you? One booking, and this is the chat, and PG admin also. PG database. Tyler, what's up? Hello, Tyler. Welcome back to my stream. How are you? So this is what data. And what were we doing? Booking creation. All right. So we were working on the booking creation part. Okay. And here, let's see if we get the chat or not. Okay. Email notification. Okay. Oh no, my code. Can you tell me how to make that notion like you have made? Basically, this is my implementation phase. Hold on. What is wrong? Brahmacharini. Does your channel have OSINT related codes? No, not yet. Okay, just a sec. Something is off today. Why is my laptop lagging today? Is it because of the chat? I think, yeah, I think because of that. Got it. Control Alt Delete. What the hell, man? Tyler, did you see my tool I shared? Yes, Tyler, that GitHub wala thing, right? Yeah, I checked it out. UJJ. There's a job requirement for backend developer with CTC 20 LPA with minimum 1 year experience. They want a person. Can you send your resume? I can forward it to my manager. It's a remote opportunity. Okay, OJ, UJJ, you can DM me on Instagram. Task manager. Hold on. Okay, everything is fine. Close it. Okay, fine. So we were working on this thing. Hold on. Okay, fine. Everything is cool. Okay. So what were we doing? Oh no, my god, bro. GPT lags when chat is large. Yeah, I agree. All right. Oh no, my code. Basically, I went to GPT. I tried. I explained what I'm trying to build, and then I told GPT to give me an implementation plan. And this is the plan that I'm following. So nothing rocket science here. Simple. Hold on. So what were we doing? Give me the full code. Okay. Booking service code logic. Okay. Okay, existing booking. We have to create these things. Okay, fine, got it. Okay, booking schema is done. Booking create booking is done. Now we need, I think, um, cancel booking part. Right, cancel booking. Okay, cancel booking. Get organization bookings. Okay, controller. Cancel booking controller and get organized. Okay, fine. Let's get started. Tap Tap Fusion 2. Hello Tap Fusion, welcome to my stream. भैया यू आर अ गोट कोडर, एक कोड बना के दे दो गेम का, क्या पता चल जाए, प्लीज मेरी भी इनकम हो जाए. थैंक यू टैप फ्यूजन. ब्रह्मचारिणी, विच गेम ब्रो? ओके. Guys, now I'll start working on this project. So I'll read the chat after a while. What is the SaaS about? It's a B2B appointment booking SaaS. Atharva Joshi. Hello, bhaiya. Hello, Atharv. Bro, what was your class 10 and class 12 percentage? Actually, in class 10, my CGPA was 9 CGPA, and in 12, my percentage was 71.4. Alright. So, guys, now I'll start working on the project and I'll read the chat after a while. Booking.service, okay. So, booking.service, we have this. Now we have export const create booking is done. Cancel booking, export const cancel booking equals this async, and I think I'll be getting the booking ID. Type string. So booking await Prisma or booking find unique. Okay, cancelled. Update ID is equal to data status to cancelled. Okay, fine. So const booking, we have const booking equals await Prisma dot booking dot find unique, where the ID is booking ID. We got this. And if there is no booking, throw new API error 404 booking not found. Okay, so const updated booking equals await Prisma dot booking dot update, where ID is booking ID. Okay, and data is status should be cancelled, and return cancelled. Okay, updated. Okay, cancelled booking, cancelled. Okay, let's make it cancelled booking and return cancelled booking here. Okay, this is done. Cancelled booking is done. Then booking controller, you have the booking controller here, and here I have export const cancel booking controller equals catch async, and we have async request, and then we have response here. और भाई watch the progress. Hello Thorfin 00, welcome to my stream. Progress is that now we are working on, basically we have completed these modules: auth, organization creation, create service, availability, rules and slot generation. Now we are working on the booking creation of my SaaS. मिस्टर अक्षत पी वाई, हेलो मिस्टर अक्षत, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम। ये क्या बना रहा है? यहाँ पे मैं खुद का एक SaaS बना रहा हूँ, सॉफ्टवेयर एज अ सर्विस, बेसिकली B2B अपॉइंटमेंट बुकिंग सिस्टम बना रहा हूँ. So we have cancel booking controller, and then we'll get the const booking ID equals request dot params dot booking ID as string. We got this thing here. Okay. Const cancelled booking equals await service. Cancelled booking. Cancel booking. Have booking ID, and then I'll get a return rest dot status 200 dot JSON success true, and data this one cancelled booking. Fine, we got this here, cancelled booking. Okay, I'll go here. थॉरफिन कोई प्रोजेक्ट सजेस्ट कर दे. प्रोजेक्ट अगर आपको सिर्फ सीखने के लिए करना है तो आप पहले टू डू एप्लीकेशन बनाओ. बट इफ़ यू आर ट्राइंग टू बिल्ड समथिंग लाइक टू इम्प्रेस द इंटरव्यूअर और समथिंग लाइक दैट, देन यू कैन गो फॉर Notion or Slack kind of thing. Organization booking, we have booking, create booking. Okay, hold on. Now if I have here this one, and booking lock is here. Okay, close this. We have so many things open. Let's close few things. Yes, close it and close it. If I come here, and there I have the booking. Let's go to the booking part, and now we have one booking, and the booking status here is pending. Okay, so let's get the booking ID from here. Get the booking ID, copy this, and go to booking, create booking. Let's create another one, cancel booking, and this will be a post request, and create booking. Copy this, come here, paste it, and pass the booking ID that we copied. Okay, copy this. Okay, now if I come here and paste it here, fine, this is done. And now I need to create the route as well, booking route. So in the booking route we have router dot route dot slash booking ID dot post. We have cancel booking controller, we got this. And now if I send this data, what happened? Okay, server is not running. Fine, cd backend npm run dev. The loafer 106, hello the loafer, welcome to my stream. Abhishek Sharma, hello bro, how can I become as persistent as you? Loafer, you to become persistent like this, you have to master discipline and consistency. And discipline is because first you need to stop depending on motivation, because motivation is random, motivation is not long term. You need to be consistent. You have to switch off that part of your brain that tells you things it's okay to give up. आज रेस्ट ले ले भाई, कल कर लेना, ये सब मत सोचो. अगर कुछ करने का सोच रहे हो, no matter what happens, no matter how you feel, you get up and you get that thing done. That's it. Abhishek Kashyap, hello Abhishek, welcome back to my stream. How are you? The game of code, bro. Why can't I join your Discord server? Okay, actually the thing is that the server got hacked, and and the hacker banned a lot of people. So tell me your Discord username. I'll unban you. Then you can join again. Just tell me your Discord. Just a sec. Server settings. And what's your Discord username? If you can tell me, then I'll unban you from here. Then you can join again. What's your Discord username? Do let me know. Then I can, then you can join again. Because the hacker who hacked the server, he banned a lot of people. So that's why um this thing is happening. Just a sec. New mentions where? Okay, how many companies hiring SD1? Okay, fine. That's great. Guys, if anybody is interested in these companies, they can join the Discord server and they can apply for the jobs from here. All right, so Ecliptica Labs. Okay, Ecliptica Labs. Just a sec. Ecliptica. EP. Eclip. Ecliptic. Yeah. Revoke. Ban. Yeah, now you can join the game of code. You can join. अभिषेक हैकर के बैन करने से पहले सर्वर लीव कर दिया था. अच्छा, ओके. Fine, now let's get started. Okay, so here we come and server is running. Yes, server is running. And if I send this, okay, data booking status cancelled. And now if I come here and it should be changed to cancelled here. Let's see, cancelled. Got it. Okay, this is done. This is done. uh, Booking, this part is done, and now we need to work on get organization booking. Okay, organization booking, we need to work on that. Export const get organization bookings equals async. I need the organization ID of type string. I also need the user ID. Okay. The game of code done, bro. Thanks. Welcome to game of code. We got the organization ID. Get organization book. Just a sec. So this thing, get organization booking. Yeah, this is correct. Okay. So okay. So bookings organization include service. True. Include. Okay. Organization. Where is it? Organization. Okay. Slug and service. Where is my service? We have service here and include. Okay, got it. Service is active too. Okay. Vaibhav Dongre. Hello Vaibhav, welcome to my stream. Hello bhai. Hello Vaibhav. Weeb. What is this async? Weeb, welcome to the stream. Async is basically asynchronous programming in JavaScript, where if we are working, we are using async await. Basically, we are working with database and we get data from database. We need to wait because it is not quick method. So that's why unless and until we get the data from the database, the code will not get executed further. Goldie, hello Goldie, welcome to my stream. Chat GPT or Claude for building website or project? Claude. Claude is much better than Chat GPT. Okay, and after this we have const bookings equals await Prisma dot booking dot find many where organization ID and include service true, and then we have order by start time DESC, and then return bookings, and then after this we get return bookings. So in this booking part we have organization ID and service ID. Okay. Jared, hello Jared, welcome to the stream. What project are you working on? I'm building a B2B appointment booking SaaS. टुडे वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम भैया। जेएस समझ नहीं आ रहा है, कैसे करूँ बता दो। जेएस के लिए सबसे पहले आपको तो टाइम देना पड़ेगा, कम से 1-2 महीने दो। एंड कोड अलोंग कुछ भी ट्यूटोरियल देख रहे हो उसके साथ साथ कोड करो। द गेम ऑफ कोड ब्रो। What are you building now? I was off for a few days. Today I joined your live. Actually, I'm building a B2B SaaS, appointment booking SaaS, and I've implemented the authentication system, organization creation, service creation, availability rules, and slot generation engine. And right now, I'm working on the booking creation, basically how a customer will uh, book a session. That's what we are working on today. Get organization bookings, and here we have export cons get organization bookings controller equals catch async. We have async request, and we have response, and there we have this. Okay, so basically I need the organization ID, const organization ID. We have the organization ID is equal to request dot params dot organization ID as string. We got the organization ID, and hold on, organization ID, and then we have const bookings equals await Prisma dot not this service I need. Get organization bookings, and here we are passing the organization ID, and then return rest dot status 200 dot JSON success true, and data bookings. Fine. Brahmacharini, Sri Radhe. Hello, Sri Radhe. Tyler, just imagine you were vibe coding the same SaaS without understanding code user yourself. How much time do you think the project would take? See, if I was vibe coding it, and then I'm 100% sure that it will take much more time for me, because if the AI, see, vibe coding is good for building MVPs and all, but like if I don't understand the code base, personally, I would not be able to understand the code base if I have not written the code. So that's why for me, vibe coding would have taken much more time. Parchai, what's up, bro? Hello, Parchai. Welcome to my stream. How are you? Abhinav, hello Abhinav, welcome to my stream. How do you use Notion app? Actually, I use Notion to implement the basically for this entire application. I have built this implementation plan that I'm following, and basically it's like a SR, software requirement document, using GPT, and it has all the phase-wise planning, and we are implementing. We are using this as a plan to execute and build this SaaS. So yeah. टुडे फैक्ट्स वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम भैया। कोचिंग करना सही रहेगा 30K में? मॉन्स्टैक प्लस जेनी है 8 मंथ्स का। See, coaching, see, personally, I have done everything from YouTube. I learned everything from YouTube. So I think, see, if you see 30K is a bit too much, maybe, in my opinion. Harshit, hello Harshit, welcome to my stream. Hello भैया, hello Harshit, परछाई भाई एक सवाल था, व्हाट्स योर ओवरऑल स्क्रीन टाइम? सी दिन में तो आज मैंने कितना 2 घंटा कोड किया, उसके बाद चिल किया, अभी जितने घंटे स्ट्रीम करूँगा ज़्यादा नहीं है, 6 घंटा मैक्स. Get organization control. Okay, now let's create the router dot route slash bookings slash or hold on, if I come here, organization slash organization id dot get auth middleware, and here we have get organization booking controller. Got this. Fine. There we go. Got this. Now if I come here and first I'll log in. Auth organization service booking. Just a sec here. रवीश भाई बेस्ट यूट्यूब चैनल बाद दे फॉर कोडिंग बता दे. बेस्ट यूट्यूब चैनल इज पीयूष गर्ग यूट्यूब चैनल और चाय और कोड यूट्यूब चैनल. आई लर्न मोस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स फ्रॉम दीज टू चैनल्स. गम्बॉल हेलो, आ गए. हेलो गम्बॉल, वेलकम बैक टू द स्ट्रीम. अभिनव, डू यू वर्क इन एनी कंपनी और नॉट? आई यूज टू वर्क, आई लेफ्ट माई जॉब. पार्थ, हेलो पार्थ, वेलकम टू माई स्ट्रीम. ब्रह्मचारिणी, यू आर बिजनेस मैन डूड? Not yet. Like, I'm someone who likes to build something. I don't know what you call that. Jaded. I'm currently learning Python and in future thinking to learn machine learning and generative AI. Can you guide me? Yeah, see, that's a very good path. If you know Python, then you can get into, like after learning Python, you need to understand PyTorch, NumPy, Pandas. Then you need to understand the concept of machine learning, different algorithms, classification, regression, clustering, all these things. Then you need to understand deep learning, perceptrons, and all those things. ब्रह्मचार्य जस्ट क्यूरियस. ओके. सिंक्स, हेलो सिंक्स, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. हेलो, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है मैं वेब डेव करूं AIML cause I am a AIML student and I have to grab job anyhow because my condition is not well. See, if your goal is to get a job as soon as possible, I will tell you that learn full stack first, like basic full stacks. Like if you are interested in Python, choose Python, go with fast API, understand fast API, and then along with that, learn machine learning and build projects and deploy them. Because even if you want to build projects, end-to-end machine learning projects, you will need full stack so that you can deploy your models in an application, right? Joker Phoenix, hello bro, कैसे हो? Hello Joker Phoenix, welcome back to my stream, brother. How are you? So we got this. Okay, so just a sec. Here, more. Hold on, where is it? General specification, general mouse server, create flow. Okay, not this one. Okay, not this one. Hold on. Collections. This. Add request, run, share, copy link, ask, fork, rename, duplicate, sort. Okay, more. Create mouse server, export collection, not this one. Okay. Okay, let's see. If I go to login user, what is this issue? Can someone tell me? Yeah, okay. I did not add this here. Fine. Login a user. We logged in a user. Fine. Now we get my organizations. Where was it? APIs, environment APIs. Nothing here. This one. Authorization. Okay, we don't need this one because it's too confusing. Remove this. Remove this. What? Save it. Hang on, we are saving. Okay, fine. And now if I log in, copy this, and if I come to my organizations and if I pass this unauthorized, very good, mark it, and here mirror pass this, fine, got organization. Now get the organization ID, and here we need to get a new request. Request get organization bookings, fine. Here we have this server slash booking slash organization slash this, and first I get the error unauthorized. Okay, now in my header I'll pass authorization, the error, pass this, no, not this one. Okay, from login I'll get this one here, login we get this, then from here bearer we have this, get, okay, bookings, hold on, booking it's cancelled. Okay, fine, we are getting the bookings here. Okay, Sinks hack, thanks bhaiya for your guidance. Welcome Sinks hack. Brahmacharini, good night bro, had fun with you. Good night Brahmacharini, and thanks for joining the stream. जोकर फिनिक्स, आई एम गुड, थैंक्स फॉर आस्किंग. आज हमारे यहाँ 9 बजे बारिश हुआ. लाइक आर यू फ्रॉम कोलकाता? बिकॉज इन कोलकाता ऑल्सो इट वॉज रेनिंग. 79 करण, हेलो करण, वेलकम टू माई स्ट्रीम. पाइथन ऑटोमेशन के एक प्रोजेक्ट्स कितने तक पे हो सकता है? Automation, it depends. If like it's a very complicated business, then you can charge around easily minimum 1 lakhs for one project minimum, I'm saying. Rajkumar, hello Rajkumar, welcome to my stream. Create a variable of organization ID and token ID in Postman, it helps a lot. Okay. Aro Bharadwaj, hello Aro, welcome to my stream. I took your advice seriously to focus on basics. I started with learning low latency agent systems for leverage of time, diving into GPU acceleration for now. Oh, that's nice, that's great. Ayush Singh, hello Ayush, welcome to my stream. I want to pursue Java full stack development. What's your opinion on this according to current market situation? As I will be having campus placement at the end of the year. Okay, see, Java full stack is a very powerful framework, and like Java, Spring Boot, everything, but you have to be very good in it. You have to build good projects and need to deploy them. That is the first basic thing. And if you're very good in it, like seriously too good in it, then you will get hired. But the market standard, in my experience, what I have seen is that even for Spring Boot developers, they usually go for people with experience, like at least 2 years of experience. It is what I have seen. Maybe I am wrong, but this is what I have experienced. Is that for Spring Boot developers as fresher, it's very difficult to get a job because Spring Boot is usually used in MNCs, and MNCs will take developer only an experienced developer, like at least 2 years, right? Aryan, hello Aryan, welcome to my stream. Hello, आज थोड़ा दिन बाद आया. Hello Aryan, welcome back to my stream. How are you? Abhishek Kumar, hello Abhishek, welcome to my stream. Nowadays, fresher will struggling to get their first dream job in Mern's full stack role. Can you please tell me why? See, the thing is that Mern is used in startups a lot. Even if you're talking about remote startups in USA, UK, Canada, Australia, Mern is used there a lot. Then in Indian startups also Mern is getting used. Ayush Kumar, hey, I'm new in this tech stuff. Hello Ayush, welcome to my stream. How are you? Parth, hello Parth, welcome to my stream. You can access clipboard from window plus V to get previous copy. Yeah, I know this thing. Actually, I learned this in my company when we were working. Then one of my colleague, he taught me this. Joker Phoenix, no, I'm from Mangalore, Karnataka. Okay, Joker Phoenix, actually I'm from Kolkata, and here also it was raining today. Ayush Kumar, hey, I'm new in this tech stuff. as you're streaming your code, won't others be able to exploit it? Just the source code, API secret key and stuff. See, Ayush Kumar, the thing is that currently I'm building the MVP stuff. Like it's a minimum viable product. Once I build this, then second is that when I implement all those sensitive things, I will not share the code. Right now, this is the MVP version. That's why I'm showing the code. When it goes into production, and when I'll be building, like once the MVP gets validated, then I'll be building the original version. Like it will be similar to this only, but it will have much more production grade systems and all. So that I will not be showing in the stream. So yeah. And either in this stream also I don't show my secret keys like .env variables and all. Pranay, I'm doing spring boot. That's nice. The game of code. भाई किसी ने मेरे मैसेज डिलीट किया 2 बार. कहाँ पे? एक सेकेंड. कौन सी मैसेज? जस्ट अ सेक. डिस्कॉर्ड. कौन सा मैसेज ब्रो? किस चैनल में आपने डाला? जनरल. Do my discord. It's more like more than you think. What is this? Zip. Portal. Look left. What is this? Not this. You'll only work if you're. What is this? Open doors. Sensitive uses commands. Okay. As a fresher, startups are giving Java developer role. As a fresher, startups are giving Java developer role. Okay. In Hyderabad. See, it depends from company to company. Ayush Kumar. Oh, I see. Thank you for clarifying. Welcome, Ayush. The game of code. DC पे नहीं इधर. इधर पे तो किसी ने like I don't know anybody is deleting the message or not. अगर आपको लिंक विंक भेज रहे हो तो चैट में लिंक नहीं दिखेगा. Ayush Kumar. There's a saying in SaaS community that building is no more the hard stuff, it's distribution and marketing stuff. What's your strategy for it? Yeah, I agree with this. Actually, distribution and marketing is what will get you customers, right? So that's the pillar, one of the pillars. And now because of vibe coding and AI, the development part is has actually become very easy, right? So for distribution, I'll be using my network, my I'll be posting, I'll be creating content and all. I'll be personally calling people who need this and try to sell it to them. Anonymous, hey, hello Anonymous, welcome to my stream. Jart Gaming, hello everyone, hello Jart Gaming, welcome to my stream. What's the progress, bro? Jart Gaming, like I have implemented the booking part, like all these things. द गेम ऑफ कोड भाई रिएक्ट किसका चैनल देखूँ प्ले पीयूष का रिसेंट वाला प्लेलिस्ट कैसा है सी रिएक्ट के लिए आई सजेस्ट शायर कोड यूट्यूब चैनल अभिषेक कैन यू प्लीज टेल मी लाइक हाउ टू मास्टर जावास्क्रिप्ट मोर ऑन प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग बिकॉज आई एम ब्लैंक व्हेन आई सी आउटपुट बेस्ड क्वेश्चन इन जावास्क्रिप्ट see you have to practice like what you can do is when you learn javascript you can code along with any tutorial that you're watching and to get hands-on experience I will suggest you solve 2 or 3 lead code questions every single day using javascript. Don't give 6 to 7 hours to lead code. Just give 2 hours every single day. Rajkumar, currently I'm also building my product. What are you building, Rajkumar? Pranay, bro, how to manage front end, back end, and DSA simultaneously? See, Pranay, I'll suggest that for DSA, just give 2 hours every single day. In those 2 hours, if even if you are able to do just one question, that's enough. And baki ka time build projects. First, understand backend. See, backend is the core. So I will prefer what I did. I learned backend first, then I moved to front end. Ayush Kumar, I'm actually a first time viewer. What are you building in a sentence? I'm building a software as a service. It's a SaaS, it's a virtually subscription based SaaS, and it is an appointment booking system. लोकेश भी सो अभी ईमेल नोटिफिकेशन का वर्क स्टार्ट हो गया क्या अभी स्टार्ट करेंगे ईमेल नोटिफिकेशन का सो बेसिकली हम लोगों ने बुकिंग क्रिएशन भी हो गया है जस्ट अ सेक बुकिंग क्रिएशन इज ऑल्सो डन क्रिएशन Hydranshu, are you going to implement email notification using message queue? I will be using resend. Like I'll see what I'll implement because right now I need to research what we'll implement. Parth, hello Parth, welcome to my stream. I just finished Shire Code backend series and working on video tube. So behind I know, but what should I do next? After you build this project, whatever you have learned from that playlist, implement it and build your own projects. Or you can start learning React also after this. Okay. What end point points give me all the end points that I need in the booking part. Now it is lagging. Okay. वरात पोद्दार, हेलो वरात, वेलकम टू माई स्ट्रीम. बैकएंड में कितना टाइम लगेगा फर्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट विद इंटरव्यू रेडी? बैकएंड आपको एक्चुअली प्रोजेक्ट बनाने से ज़्यादा कंसेप्ट सीखने में 1 महीने या 2 महीने लगेंगे. अगर आप प्रोजेक्ट बनाओगे तो 3 महीने के अंदर हो जाएगा. Why does chat GPT lag when when message is when the chat is long? Okay. Long form. Yeah, chat will lag in primarily because the web browser struggles to render. They manage thousands of text elements. A single way resulting in high memory usage and slow UI updates. Okay. Very slow in long conversations. Why? Have you? Okay. The issue remains on Chrome for me. How do okay in custom settings? Okay. I have reached this point. Seems to be issue on their end. On their end, I have tried different browser and there is notable lag. Okay, fine. Got it. Create booking. Hydranshul, like I had used Kafka for email notification and SendGrid APIs for email service. Okay. I see. We will be using something like that similar. So I need to think and research what will be the best for this SaaS. The game of code. Yes, bro. For some days, ChatGPT is lagging too much. Okay. Okay. Get booking ID. Okay. So let's implement get booking by ID. Hold on, we need to implement few more things. Used when showing booking confirmation page. Okay, fine. Export const get booking equals async booking id string. Then here we have const booking equals await prisma dot booking dot find first, where id is booking id. And once we get this, return booking, get booking, okay, booking controller, export const get booking controller equals catch async request response. Got this. And const booking id equals request dot params dot booking id as string booking id const booking equals await get booking id return rest dot status 200 dot json success true data booking. We got this. Want to get booking controller, and here same thing, router dot booking id, and it will be guest. And here we'll have get booking controller, we'll have this get booking controller. Got this. Okay, so now if I come here, cancel booking, duplicate this, and here it will be get booking by id, it will be get request, add this. Yeah, we got the booking. And if I hold on, booking controller, booking service, where booking, okay, fine, we got this. And if there is no booking, throw new API error 404 booking not found. Fine, we are getting this. Now if I do something like 8 9 booking not found, okay, send this. Okay, very good. We are getting the booking, okay, and fine. Renova Digitals. Hello bro. Hello Renova. Welcome back to my stream. How are you? भाई मुझे भी बैकएंड अच्छा लगता है जेएस, क्या हूँ रिएक्ट करूँ या बैकएंड पे जाओ? मैं तो बोलूँगा पहले द गेम ऑफ कोड, पहले तुम बैकएंड करो, उसके बाद रिएक्ट में जाओ. Sorry, I meant to say that I got busy in previous days. That's why I couldn't join your stream. Oh, that's fine, Renova. And I'm glad you're back. What SaaS exactly are you working on? I'm working on an appointment booking SaaS. The game of code आज तक कोई नहीं कर पाया है unlimited possibilities in JavaScript. Okay. Ayush, what I think of appointment booking system for Indian customer, they are very hesitant towards online solution, which is changing right now, and it's a good thing. Yeah, and see that is a good thing. And secondly, this SaaS It's an online SaaS, right? Like SaaS is online, so anyone around the world can use it. So it's like a global SaaS that I have built, that I am trying to build. Vraj, hello Vraj. I learned Django REST. Oh, that's nice. Ayush Kumar, as WhatsApp chats are just convenient for them when completed. Okay, okay, got it. Yeah, true. Ayush Kumar, are you architecting the backend to eventually handle booking purely through conversational WhatsApp flow API flow, or strictly keeping it web-based API? Actually, the thing is that, see, any business will get a URL. Then if some customer clicks on that URL, then they can, from there they can book the appointment, and they can pay also. Okay. Vraj, is Windows better or Linux? See, for development, Linux is better, but if you want to do other things also along with development, then Windows is better. Uh, Neil, hello Neil, welcome to my stream. How many years of experience you have? I have 1 year of working experience. So yeah, booking service is done. Cancel booking is done. Organize, this is also done. Get service based booking from service. Use in calendar view. Okay. Give me the full code. Hello Cart Via. Hello Cart Via. Welcome to my stream. It is a good idea to make ATS software, SaaS software. ATS. Yeah, you can build that. Vraj, you work in backend. Also, your company is a service-based company or product one? Actually, I worked in an MNC. It was a service-based company. I left my job. Right now, I'm not working in that company. Service. Okay. Ayush, you can get the GPT Go subscription for free. Is it intentional that you haven't got them? Yeah, actually, it's intentional because the thing is that GPT Go will soon become paid, and it's a way of making like OpenAI. It is a strategy where they are giving a free service. Then later on, when you get addicted to that service, they will start charging you. So as long as I'm avoiding it as much as I can. So yeah. See, once I start getting revenue from my SaaS, then obviously I'll be paying for these services. But now, what's the point of paying? This is also done. This is also done. Get service bookings. Okay. Where service ID or restaurant? Now we have cancel booking. Okay. Export const get service booking is equal to async service ID string const bookings equals await prisma dot booking dot find many okay. Where service ID and we have order by start time DESC. Okay, service booking done. Now we have returned bookings, get service bookings. Okay, and then we have export const get service bookings controller equals catch async request comma response. Got this. Then const service id equal request dot params dot service id and a service id as string. We got this. Then const bookings equals await bookings. Yep. Get service bookings, and here we pass service id, and then we get return rest dot status 200 dot not here dot json success true data bookings. Then we have this booking route, and here we have router dot route slash service slash service id dot get auth middleware comma booking controller get service bookings controller. We got this. Yes. Okay. Vraj, how you develop idea? I get stuck in deciding models and what fields to choose. Basically, first, before I start coding, I build this ER diagram. Basically, it tells me the types of tables, types of models, and relationship between the models of the application that I will build. So once I create this, then I start coding. Vraj, hell yeah, that's so true. GPT will be paid. Yeah, man. Ayush, hello Ayush, welcome to my stream. Good point also. When the billions of Indian customers subscribe to their auto pay, their MRR and ARR blows up like FK, making them easy to get hella VC funds. Yeah, man. See, basically, they are all businessmen, and even if I was in their place, I would also think about getting revenue for my company. I see they are trying to grow their company. They are right in their place, but if you think as a startup founder, or if you think as a company, then you can protect yourself from these things. So that's why when I saw that they are offering GPT Go for free for 1 year, then only I realized it's a long term plan. Like what Geo did. Geo gave internet free for 3 months, then people got hooked into it, and then they started the paid service, right? So that's the game plan. टैप फ्यूजन, भाई आपकी यूट्यूब से कितनी अर्निंग होती है? कुछ भी नहीं होती, अभी तक मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल मोनेटाइज नहीं हुआ है. आयुष, हेलो आयुष, वेलकम टू माई स्ट्रीम. व्हाई डोंट यू यूज CC instead of GPT? Ayush, actually I save cloud code for complex task. If my GPT fails, then I go to Claude. Vraj, मेरे को तो कॉन्फिडेंस ही नहीं आता. I can make whole industry level app. Okay. See, confidence, अपने पे बिलीफ रखो, बिलीफ रखना होना. You have to have that self belief. टैप फ्यूजन, भाई आपके हिसाब से कितना टाइम लगेगा ये प्रोजेक्ट बनाने में? लगेगा अच्छा खासा टाइम. ये फुल स्टैक SaaS बना रहा हूँ, यहाँ पे एक पर्सनल प्रोजेक्ट तो बन नहीं रहा है, तो इसमें टाइम लगेगा, मिनिमम 1 महीने तो लगेगा. Vraj, the schema, right? Yeah, man. Ibrahim Mohsin, you Abhishek, you into deep learning, I heard. Yeah, Ibrahim Mohsin, from today I started learning deep learning. And welcome to the stream, man. How are you, Ibrahim? Yeah, like side by side, as I said, as a hobby project, I started learning about deep learning using PyTorch. Ibrahim, I know very little about deep learning. I know about neural networks, but deep learning crazy. Actually, neural networks are a small part of deep learning, and it's a very interesting concept. Noob codes, hello noob codes, welcome to my stream. DB, yeah, database I'm using PostgreSQL, and ORM is Prisma. टैब फ्यूजन भाई, आपका फेवरेट कोडर कौन है वाईटी पे? माय फेवरेट कोडर, लाइक कोडर ऐसे तो लाइव स्ट्रीम में ब्रिज माइंड की मैं लाइव स्ट्रीम देखता रहता हूँ, वो वाइप कोड करता है, लेकिन तभी भी मुझे अच्छा लगता है उसका कंसिस्टेंसी। एंड हु एल्स एज अ कोडर, तो लाइक कोई लाइव स्ट्रीम में उतना करता नहीं है कोड, लाइक लाइव आके पूरा स्ट्रगल दिखाना, क्या क्या लॉजिक कैसे बन रहा है, वो सब ज़्यादा लोग दिखाते नहीं हैं, ज़्यादा लोग लाइक ट्यूटोरियल्स टाइप ज़्यादा बनाते हैं। Ibrahim Mohsin, my fave is coding Jesus and Abhishek. Thank you, Ibrahim Mohsin. Thanks a lot, man. Vraj Patel. You don't want to apply for jobs. Actually, Vraj, I used to work in a company. I left that company. Now my goal is to either work in a startup or build my own startup. टैप फ्यूजन भाई, कोड विथ हैरी कैसा है? कोड विथ हैरी की पुरानी वीडियोस में काफ़ी देखता था, लाइक मैंने काफ़ी सीखा है वहाँ से, पाइथन, जैंगो एंड ऑल दोज थिंग्स। मैं स्टार्टिंग में लॉकडाउन के टाइम कोड विथ हैरी का वीडियोस काफ़ी देखता था। अश्वंत, हेलो अश्वंत, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम। भाई आप फ्रेशर हो या सीनियर? लाइक मैं ना ही फ्रेशर हूँ ना सीनियर हूँ, मेरा वर्किंग एक्सपीरियंस 1 ईयर है बस, उसके बाद मैंने कंपनी छोड़ दी। आयुष कुमार, इफ दिस गेट्स फ्रैक्शन, आर यू लुकिंग टू रेस फंड्स और सीड राउंड? या इफ this does get traction and like it generates revenue, then yeah, if anybody is interested to invest in it, then I'm interested to get the funds, and then we can scale it up and we can target more people to use this application. Vraj, मेरा वर्क एक्सपीरियंस 3 मंथ्स है। दैट्स ग्रेट राज। राजा, कितना पैकेज था जब आप गए थे? राजा, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम। माय पैकेज वाज नॉर्मल ओनली, लाइक आई कैन नॉट से द एग्जैक्ट नंबर, लाइक इट वाज अराउंड द टैक्स लैब। टैप फ्यूजन भाई, बीटेक के लिए तो यूट्यूब पे तो ओनली कुछ लेवल तक ही कोडिंग लेवल है, मुझे कंपनी लेवल की कोडर्स को क्रैक करना है, और उसके लिए कैसे प्रैक्टिस करूँ? आपको प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाने पड़ेंगे, डीएसए दिन के 1-2 क्वेश्चन लगाओ, ज़्यादा मत दो डीएसए को, बट 1-2 क्वेश्चन करो प्रैक्टिस में रहने के लिए, एंड प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाओ। अश्वंत, हेलो अश्वंत, वेलकम टू माई स्ट्रीम। भाई आप डीएसए करते हो क्या? आई एम अ फ्रेशर, कंफ्यूज वेदर टू डू डीएसए और डेवलपमेंट। यू कैन डू बोथ। सी, you don't have to give 7 to 8 hours of DSA to DSA every single day. You can give at least 1 or 2 hours to DSA, and then बाकी का टाइम do development. So service ID, right? So server is running. Okay. Now if I go here, service booking. Okay. Duplicate it. I'll have here get service bookings, and if I come here, and this will be service, I will get error because this is not organization, it is service ID. I need to pass service ID here. So if I come here, this is service ID, copy it from here, come here, and service ID, we have this here, send it. Okay, so we are getting this. All right, we are getting this. This is also done. And do I need to delete? Okay, no, that is absolutely fine. So I think now we can say that this is done. Okay, so now let's get started. This, now it will get lagged. टैप फ्यूजन भाई, पर ये रियलिटी है इंडिया के इंजीनियर को कि वो जॉब के बाद ही या तो स्टार्टअप करते हैं या कंटेंट क्रिएशन। हाँ, लाइक जिसमें इंटरेस्ट है वो करते हैं। एपीरियम, हेलो एपीरियम, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम। हे, हाउ इज एवरीथिंग गोइंग? हेलो एपीरियम, वेलकम बैक टू माय स्ट्रीम ब्रदर। एवरीथिंग इज फाइन, हाउ आर यू? जोकर फिनिक्स, व्हाई यू आर नॉट यूजिंग इरेजर आईओ फॉर डायग्राम्स? Basically I'm using Excalibur, and it now Excalibur is fine only. If I feel that Excalibur draw is not good enough, then I'll go to Eraser.io. Okay, cancel booking. Just a sec. Cancel booking. Yeah, fine. And if I go to service, cancel booking. Okay, yeah, logic is correct. Now if I come here, post customer create get booking by ID. Okay, cancel booking. Hold on, route. Cancel booking. It should be patch. Make it patch. And if I come here, cancel booking. Where is it? Yeah, cancel booking. Make it patch. Patch. Okay, fine. Cancel booking. Fine. Booking has been cancelled. Fine. Cancel booking. Okay. So we got this here. And after cancel booking, organize auth middleware. Okay. Get auth middleware. Fine. Mm-hmm. Okay. So this is my schema dot prisma. Where is schema.prisma? It is getting lagged. Okay. Hi Mohsin, I am into a new project. I need to make project for myself. All I do is make project for clients. I should start, but after an entire day of clients barking in my ear, I don't have the energy anymore. Yeah, I can understand Ibrahim Mohsin. I know how it feels because when I was in my job and after my job when I used to stream, I used to feel really tired, but still I kept going. But when I felt that okay, I need a good control of my time, I left my job. But I can understand that no, like it is not possible for everyone to leave the job because everyone has different responsibilities and everything. I understand that. So maybe what you can do, maybe in weekends you can dedicate your time, Ibrahim. Okay, Tap Fusion. I am betting you, bro, that you will be gonna rock one day. Stay focused. All the best. Thank you, Tap Fusion. Thanks a lot, man. Thanks a lot, Tap Fusion. Ethereum. Are you using Node.js Express for backend API? Why you shouldn't use Python or Go? Ethereum, I'm using Node.js, and firstly, I don't know Go. I have never worked with Go, and I'm not going with Python because I have worked with Python Django, and it is fine. But with basically my target here is to build my own startup and or work in a startup, right? So in remote jobs in USA, UK, Canada, Australia, like I'm trying to implement, get into those startups also. So their tech stack mainly is focused around Node.js, and I was also learning Node.js. So I thought, why not? Let's implement this. Let's build this startup with Node.js. And Node.js is also very fast, and it is very well known for handling concurrency. So that's why. Wally, do you know Lucid Chart? Yeah, I know Lucid Chart. Ayush, hello Ayush. I totally get the job mentality and not everyone's meant for entrepreneurship, but don't you think the Indian startups follow a herd mentality that what is just around DSA package? Kisse padhu? Yeah, I agree, Ayush. No offense, but yeah, see, Ayush, actually you're right. 90% of the people that we have in our country, like dedicated to tech and all, they are doing it just to get a job. That is also fine because everybody has responsibilities and not everybody can be an entrepreneur. That I agree. But what I miss that nobody has that hunger to create to build something new. Nobody has that hunger that I will build something, right? And see, now I don't have any much responsibility. Like I am not married, I don't have kids, so I can take the risk. So that's why I took the risk. टैप फ्यूजन भाई, आप तो बीसीए वाले भी बीटेक वालों से बढ़िया कोड करते हैं और आप डेवलपमेंट करते हैं. हाँ, अग्री. सी, डिग्री और स्किल्स आर नॉट रिलेटेड. डिग्री आप कुछ भी करो, अगर आपको स्किल नहीं आता डिग्री का कोई फायदा नहीं है. जोकर फिनिक्स. ओके, आई सजेस्ट ट्राई टू क्रिएट सेम डायग्राम इन इरेजर इन योर फ्री टाइम. ओके Ibrahim, and also Neovim. Okay, they think DSA is same some elixir to forever money. Yeah, I agree. Joker Phoenix, close and reopen the chat GPT. Okay, just a sec. I'll paste the schema.prisma. Schema.prisma here. This is my schema.prisma. I pasted. Just a sec. Code with Abhay. Hello, Code with Abhay. Welcome to my stream. Hey, bro. What's up? You started your SaaS project until now. What you have completed and what is your SaaS application? Code with Away. I am working on a B2B appointment booking SaaS, and I have implemented the auth, organization creation, service creation, availability rules, slot generation engine, and booking creation. Currently, I'm working on the email notification part, where once a booking is done, hold on. Once the booking is done, the customer will get the notification, a customer and the business will get the notification that booking is done. So yeah, this is what I have done till now. And hold on, this is the flow. Here, copy this, and if I come here, hold on, this is the flow, paste it here. Ibrahim Mohsin, I love Go fiber framework more than Fast API. Fast API is sick though. Actually, I have not worked with Go yet. I have heard a lot about it. So I do want to work with Go someday. Okay. अरे यार यहीं पे रहना भाई मेरे. Have completed. Ethereum, have you checked Wheat Plus? I have worked with Wheat, but I have not checked Wheat Plus. Tap Fusion, bro, आपके साथ कोई दोस्त या कोई टीम पार्ट है इस SaaS में प्रोजेक्ट में, या आप खुद से कर ही रहे हो सब कुछ, और हायरिंग कब से करोगे? अभी तक तो कोई और डेवलपर है नहीं. अभी मैं खुद से कर रहा हूँ, और एक बार वंस आई स्टार्ट गेटिंग रेवेन्यू एंड इफ आई सी दैट this has a lot of potential, then I'll try to hire. Ayush, have you applied to upcoming YC event in Bangalore? No, not yet. YT. Vraj, hello Vraj, welcome to my stream. Did you make this schema all by yourself, or you took some help from somewhere? Vraj, I took help from GPT. Like I tried to make GPT understand that what I'm trying to build. Then it suggested me few of the designs, and from there I filtered out this design for this one, this ER diagram, this schema part, and this one. Okay, there we go. Okay, so okay, your system can already create. Okay, fine. This is basically remaining email notification module. Very good. Email should be triggered when booking created, booking cancelled, and reminder. Okay, very good. Endpoints. Usually, email is not exposed as API. It's triggered automatically, but you may create one endpoint for testing. Send booking confirmation email. Okay. Recent, send grid. Guys, which is better, recent or send grid? Let's compare. Recent, send grid. Which is better? Send grid, send grid. Okay. लकी व्हील ऑफ स्पिन, हाय ब्रो एंड बाय ब्रो. आज कुछ काम था तो नहीं आ पाया स्ट्रीम पर. ओके लकी व्हील ऑफ स्पिन, थैंक्स फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. दीपक सिंह, और भाई क्या हाल चाल? सब बढ़िया दीपक, आप कैसे हो? विराज, ऑल्सो विल यू डू फ्रंटेड बाय योरसेल्फ टू? यस विराज, आई विल बी डूइंग फ्रंटेड बाय माई सेल्फ. एंड रीसेंड email for developers. Okay, just a sec, let's see the pricing what we have in free module. Free sending 300 3000 emails per month. Okay, fine. One domain 100 emails per day. Okay, fine. No daily limit. Okay, okay, 10 domains. Okay, so this is done. And login, sign up for don't have the name. Okay, sign up for now. Oh, is your chat GPT lagging? Yeah, my chat GPT is lagging because the chat is actually quite long. भाई इस SaaS का आपको रियल लाइफ में एग्जांपल दे सकते हो जहाँ पे ये काम आएगा? बेसिकली मैं यहाँ पे वन ऑन वन कॉल भी लेता हूँ, लाइक इफ एनीबडी इज इंटरेस्टेड इन गेटिंग अ वन ऑन वन call with me where I understand your skills, your current goal, your strength, your weaknesses, and then it's a 1 hour call, it's a paid call, and then you can get on a call with me where I'll guide you like how you can achieve your goal. Maybe your goal can be to get a job, or you want to build your own SaaS or a startup. Then I can guide you how you can learn and implement things that will help you to achieve your goal very easily. So for that one-on-one call, right now what is happening, if somebody is interested, that person has to DM me on Instagram. So it's a very manual labor work, right? So what right now I'll create is that through my application I'll get a link. If so, I'll paste that link in the description of the stream. Then one person, like if anybody is interested, they can click on that link. They will see, okay, this is the service that I'm providing. If they're interested, they can book a appointment and then they can pay, and I'll receive the payment through the application. That's the basic flow. Okay. Code with Abhay. Can you please elaborate your B2B appointment looking booking and how that gonna make money? I'm curious to know. Okay. You have used prompt to charge you for better response. Just a sec, guys. Um, Basically, businesses like online fitness coaches, dental clinics, they can use the SaaS. Why not? Okay, Raj, have you used? Okay, भैया आपने ये SaaS में HTML भी यूज़ किया है क्या, या कुछ और? मैं React में फ्रंट एंड बना रहा हूँ. Raj, you have experience of front end part too. That's great. Yeah, I'm a full stack developer. Deepak Singh. Recent is better. I had worked with it. Okay, bro. Learning React beat. Oh, that's nice. Virat Kohli fan club. Welcome to the stream. Deepak Singh. Yeah, recent is better. Okay, let's go. Recent. Fine. Features. Company recent docs. Docs. Getting started. Okay. Node.js. With Node.js, let's go with recent. Sending email with Node.js. Okay, get started. Okay, resend, new resend from to subject HTML. Okay, JS. Okay, okay. APDM recent is good. Okay, recent free tier 3000 emails per month. React email JS integration. Okay, we can go with recent then. Focus staff. Are you employed? I was working in a company, but I left that company. Vraj. अभी तो फुल स्टैक का नामो निशान मिट गया है कहाँ? ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. So let's create the API key. Just a sec, guys. I'll hide my screen so that my API key is not visible publicly. Just a sec. Hold on. So if I come here, add an API key, copy this, and if I come here, backend dot env resend API key, resend API key, this and dot env, paste it here, and your API key, resend underscore API underscore key. Okay, fine. Let's close this and close this. Okay, fine. And here we go. And here also. Okay, send email. Okay, we can close this. And now if I come and share screen. Okay, so I've copied the API key. So there we go. Okay. Focus. I was full stack developer, laid off 4 months ago, not able to get interview calls. Okay. I left my company, like like the company that I joined, I left it. So, yep. I am working on I implement. It's lagging so much, man. Okay. For Cappy, bhai, do you read books? Yes, Cappy, I read books. Epidemium recent API is so easy, bro. It makes hardly 5 minutes setup one route with all needed params. Then you can use anywhere with flexibility based on existing route. Create one route for email. Okay, Epidemium, got it. Jewel, watch. Okay, focus dev. Okay. व्राज अभिषेक भाई आप कहाँ से हो? व्राज मैं वेस्ट बंगाल इंडिया से हूँ. Vraj, what is a laptop or PC specs? Vraj, my laptop specs is 16 GB RAM, Core i5. Implement. Hold on. दीपक सिंह भाई नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट कुछ स्पेशल यूनिक होगा क्या? ये वाला सैस तो मैं जब कंप्लीट होगा एक बार कोड करूंगा. सी नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट तो लाइक मेरा इंटरेस्ट है कि एक बार ये सैस खड़ा हो जाए तो मैं अपना हॉबी प्रोजेक्ट स्टार्ट करूंगा. बेसिकली आई वांट टू बिल्ड एन एलएलएम फ्रॉम स्क्रैच. सो मैं खुद का एलएलएम बनाने की कोशिश करूंगा. इसके बाद you okay. Great. Now you're implementing email notification for scheduling for your scheduling SaaS. Okay, this module will automatically send emails when a booking is created or cancelled. Okay, this is how the okay fine. I'll give you clean production ready implementation using Recent, which is currently the easiest email service for Node.js. Okay, very good. npm install Recent. Okay, email from fine. Email from src lib email.ts once Recent fine. And then after this src module email template.ts booking confirmed. Hello customer name. Okay. Service title. Starting time. Okay. Time. Fine. Okay. Raj, same. I have HP Victus. Okay. Raj, also I did 3 months internship in Python backend. Now I'm thinking to do another internship in AI, like working on LangChain, LangGraph. Is that a good decision? Yeah, that's a good decision. Like intern in Python backend, backend with Python. That's good. Yeah, see, yeah, that's a good path. Jewel, you will build LLM from scratch. Yes, Jewel Manual. That's my plan. Basically, that's my hobby project. Like, basically, it's my personal agenda to build an LLM from scratch. So once I build this SaaS, next target is to build my LLM from scratch. So yeah, scratch, but LLM from scratch. Yeah, okay. Email controller. Okay, okay. So give me the full production ready code for this email for this email notification part for this email notification part. Try Machine LLM as in from scratch or using existing model to enrich it. Ibrahim Mohsin, yeah, LLM from scratch. Actually, the thing is that, see, LLMs or normal LLMs are trained on data that is available on internet. It can be any data like text data and text also like messages, normal doc articles and all. But I want to build an LLM that is only trained on coding documents, like documentation from that are related to different frameworks, documentation like open codes that are available on github repositories. I'll train the LLM using that, so that this LLM is actually sole purpose is to write code. That's what like the rough idea is. So let's see if it's possible or not. Type fusion, भाई फ्रीलांसिंग से घर चलाना जितना इनकम हो जाता है क्या? सी फ्रीलांसिंग में अगर आपके नेटवर्क काफ़ी स्ट्रांग है तब हो जाएगा, बट अगर आप अपवर्क फाइवर में आप एज अ बिगिनर जाओगे तो काफ़ी टफ रहेगा. इब्राहिम ऑल्सो SLM. सी डिपेंड्स ऑन द डेटा. इफ आई एम एबल टू गेट एनफ डेटा दैट that can be very good, like clean data from it, like I need to scrape the entire internet, like entire github documentations, all the documentation of different frameworks. So all these things are required. Supreme DS, yo bro, what's up? Hello Supreme DS, welcome back to my stream, brother. How are you? Prime, coding agent SLM. Yeah, it's possible. Yeah, something like that, Ibrahim Mohsin. Let's see. Basically, it's my hobby project. It's my like something that I will be building side on side. So that's why I started learning deep learning. Tab fusion. भाई as an video editor कितना income हो जाएगा? As an video, I have no idea about video editing. I don't have. Even if you see my streams or my videos, I don't have any idea about video editing. Ibrahim Hossein, I say use Coin Coder as a base and train it on Mozilla developer notes. Yeah, Ibrahim Hossein, see that is true. See, here my goal is not to make it production ready or everything. I just want to learn the process of building an LLM using this project. Like after that, when I start building my LLM. Okay, Passion Raja. Hello Passion, welcome to my stream. Tap Fusion. भाई freelancing में बोल रहा हूँ. See, freelancing में editor का तो काफ़ी डिमांड होता है freelancing में. .ts, okay. Email from, okay. Just a sec, guys. I'll again hide my screen. Just a sec. Just a sec. No, no, not now. Later. Email from. Okay, okay, got it. I'll hide my screen now. Just a sec, guys. So backend, PNB, and if I come here, what I have, email from, email underscore from, email underscore from. From here, env.sample and here, okay, done. Sender email, got this, and close this, recent API key, email from, and just a sec, guys, here recent API key, recent API key, okay, fine. This is done. Close this, and now again I can share my screen. Yeah, fine. Ibrahim Mohsin, what's your GPU? I need to buy a GPU also. My GPU is Intel Iris Xe graphics. That's not enough, I know. I need to get a GPU also. Let's see. Tab Fusion 2. आप भी फ्रीलांसर हो? हाँ, मैं फ्रीलांसिंग करता हूँ. रोहित, हेलो रोहित, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. भाई क्या मर्न फुल स्टैक डेवलपर का फ्यूचर कैसा रहेगा आगे? सी स्टार्टअप्स में तो मर्न काफ़ी यूज़ होता है, सो फ्यूचर तो है. Abhishek, what are your opinion on Cursor? See, Cursor is good to build MVPs, but I had very bad experience because it was not able to build what I wanted it to build. So yeah, focus. I was back in college. Okay. Our whole office uses Cursor. Okay, that's nice. Tab Fusion. Bhai, I'm regular in your stream and I got to that number 1 in the chat means I'm the only one who chat more and more. Yeah, Tab Fusion. Thanks, man. Thanks for joining the stream. Ibrahim Mosim, bro, Iris. Yeah, man. Like at least Ibrahim, can you suggest any good GPU that I can buy and then I can try to build my LLM or something like that? Something like, if you have any good GPU suggestions, do let me know. Wahid, game dev or web dev future? See, I have no idea about game dev. I never worked with game dev, so I don't know. Just a sec. Now, if I come here, npm install recent, copy this, npm install recent, src lib. Do I have lib here in my backend? Have I created lib? Src lib. Yes, I have created lib. Okay, fine. Because okay means I'm Ibrahim Mosin. You need RTX 4080 at least, and NVIDIA cause CUDA libraries work best with NVIDIA, and that too 24 GB at least, and a good coding system and a good cooling system. Okay, RTX 4080. Let's see the price. I'm ready for a heart attack. RTX 4080, 24 GB. Let's see. I'm ready for a heart attack. How much? RTX 4080, Asus TUF Gaming GeForce. Which one? 1 lakh, basically 2 lakhs. RTX 4080, okay. ओके, समझ गया, 2 लाख के ऊपर है. कूल, लेंगे लेंगे तो ज़रूर. लेट्स सी. ओके, क्लोज दिस. Ryzen, just a sec guys, just a sec. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Yeah. Okay. Sorry for the interruption, guys. And if I come, okay. I hope I'm audible. Ryzen is good, but library support is shit. Okay. Ibrahim also, you can do NVIDIA A4000 16 GB, but it has to be dedicated to LLM only. Okay. A4000 16 GB, A4000, A4000 16 GB. How much? Where is it? A4000. Okay, it is सस्ता थोड़ा. 1,16,000. Okay, NVIDIA RTX. Okay. Ryzen, okay. Ibrahim, you can do NVIDIA, okay. APDM. I would like to say you all guys one thing. This is not the era to invent new tech. It's an era to leverage it. LLMs already exist, but people using tools like Claude Opus are building amazing things. True. Okay, me with my 2050. Okay, okay. Ibrahim, start with Google Colab. It has free tier. That's why, yeah, yeah. See, Google Colab, I'll use. No one has unlimited money to buy these LLMs and their APIs. Joule manual. Bro, are you learning deep learning from? Where are you learning from? I'm learning from a YouTube channel called YouTube channel from Campus X. Running an LLM with at least 20 billion parameters with reason is a heavy task. Yeah, Ethereum. You don't need this much, bro. Just go with 5090, bro. It's good. 5090. Okay. Let's see. 5090 RTX. This one, NVIDIA 5090. How much? 5090. Where is it? 5090. Okay, this one. Gigabyte, okay, RTX, Gigabyte GeForce. But it is not from NVIDIA. It is from NVIDIA? No, I don't think so. NVIDIA, okay, NVIDIA 509, okay. G4X RTX reject optional. How much? 2,32,000 मतलब 3 लाख पकड़ के चलो. ठीक है. समझ गया. Okay, got it. Ethereum, okay. Thanks, Ethereum. This is the card I have. Oh, that's great, Ethereum. Focused. Bro, all gigabyte is God. I have no idea. Gigabyte, like, I don't know, man. You mean you have new, okay. What do you accept? What do you do except coding? I read books, best for gaming and LLMs. Okay, fine. So let's install Recent now. And guys, just a reminder, if you're new to the stream and enjoying, do consider subscribing. And here, if I come npm install Recent, copy this and this npm install Recent. Focus the student or pass out. I completed my BTech in 2023. So come in npm run dev. This is done. Now if I come here, email.ts inside lib, I need email.ts. Fine, booking closes, booking route, close it. Email.ts and inside modules, I need email also. Email module I need, okay. Email.service, template, email.queue, email.type. Okay, very good. I got the environment variables, email client. Import recent from recent. Export recent, new recent, process.env, recent API key, very good. Email types to subject HTML. To subject HTML, okay. Okay, sending template. Okay, this is the template. Booking cancel template. Okay, booking cancelled. Cancelled. If this was a mistake, then book again anytime. Okay. Email queue. If production, you should not block API while sending email. We create a simple async queue wrapper. Job failed. Okay, run async promise. Okay, send immediate. Okay, this prevents email sending from slowing your API. Integrate with booking creation inside booking.service. Okay, cancellation, production behavior. Trigger email job, return response immediately. Booking confirmation email. Okay, SaaS progress. Okay. If you want to also implement reminder emails 24 before meeting, if using cron jobs and background workers, this is next level email automation. Yeah, do it. Movie Shield. Hello, Movie Shield. Welcome to my stream. I'm first year BTech student. Suggest me what should be done while engineering journey. Um, like build projects, learn tech stacks properly. Like choose one programming language, be really good in it, learn tech stacks around it, and yeah, that's the thing. Build projects. Okay. If you want to have a much better production architect with reminder system using Redis plus BullMQ, yes, do it with Redis plus BullMQ. OpenAI, Ibrahim Mohsin, OpenAI studies everything you do. Samway Cursor made their composer model same with Claude Code. All are same. They take money, but also your data. That's how they make these models good. That's true. I agree. That's why GPT Go is free. I agree, man. For a year, they need data to make their model even better. And who better the Indians to provide that data? I agree, man. I agree, Ibrahim Mohsin. Ibrahim. I agree, man. And it is the correct profile. This is all asking, okay. Background jobs in memory data. Okay. Okay. Retries. Okay. BoolMQ. IO Redis. IO Redis. Hold on. Okay. npm install Redis IO. What is IO Redis? npm IO Redis over. Okay. And what is npm install Redis? Okay. What is the difference? Just a sec. Okay, email queues, workers, modules. Okay, Redis connection, lib redis.ts. Okay, IO Redis. Okay, email queue, bull queue. Okay, let's see. Bull MQ docs. Bull MQ is a node library implement fast and robust queue system built on top of Redis that helps in resolving many modern age microservices architecture. The library designed so that it will fulfill the following goals. Exactly one message semantic. Quick start. Oh yeah, okay. Queue, foo, name, avoid jobs. You need to have Redis service running on your local computer to run this successfully. You can, okay, okay. Redis, find, add email job, email.service.ts, worker, email processor, or booking service, booking.service.ts, queue booking confirmation. Mm, Give me the full code. Jewel manual. Okay. Method example. Redis. What is the difference between Redis and IO Redis? IO Redis robust full stack feature Redis client for Node.js designed for high performance clusters and complex scenarios. Okay. Hey guys, I'm looking to start Redis. First time I can't tell or the client library is better. They both seem to be popular with screen. Okay, my priority. It's good that you came back with what you selected. Maybe when you're okay, 5 minutes into both, I am promising a better experience. IO Redis is better than Redis. Okay, but what okay, IO Redis is better. Got it. Fine. Introduction. BullMQ is based in four classes that together can be used to resolve many different problems. These classes are queue, worker, queue events, and flow producer. Got it? See, now we can just implement this without knowing anything, but I think it is very important. See, BullMQ is a messaging queue service, and I think it is very important to know how the architecture of BullMQ is. So we have different classes. We have queue, worker, Just a sec. Close this, close this. IO Redis, close this, close this. Okay, keep this. Okay, so we have here Jewel manual. Bull MQ only support with IO Redis for queue. Okay, Jewel, got it. Thanks, man. We have queue here, class queue. Then we have worker, queue events and flow producer. Queue worker, queue events, database, okay, and flow producer. Fine, fine. The first class you should know about is queue class. Queue class. This class represents a queue and can be used for adding jobs to the queue as well as, okay, queue, basically we know what is a queue, okay. Queue as well as some other basic manipulations such as pausing, cleaning or getting data from the queue. Jobs in BullMQ are basically a user created data structure that can be stored in the queue. Okay, got it. So basically we have a queue like this. Basically this is what the queue is, and the job, basically this will be job one. This is what we'll be creating: job one, job two, something like this, I think. Okay. You can have worker is the second class. You should know more about workers. Worker are instances capable of processing jobs. Okay. You can have many workers either running in the same Node.js process or in separate process as well as in different machines. They they will all consume jobs from the queue and mark the job as completed or failed. Okay. Want to work with queue or connection to a Redis instance is necessary. Okay, fine. BullMQ node module IO Redis. Okay. And the option, okay, IO Redis. Got it. Got it. Anime or use Kafka. Which one should I use? BullMQ or Kafka? Guys, do let me know. I think in SaaS, BullMQ is used more. BullMQ. Okay, fine. We install BullMQ and IO Redis. Got it. From here, close this. npm install BullMQ IO Redis. Install these packages. Ibrahim Mohsin Kafka. I've implemented BullMQ. Hold on. Kafka is gold standard. Okay, okay. Let's see. Okay. Kafka with Node.js. Administrating higher. Edward, what are your PC specs? Hello, Edward. Welcome to my stream. My PC specs are 16 GB RAM, Intel Core i5, Intel Iris graphics, and 500 GB SSD. Ibrahim Mohsin, but you can go with BullMQ. Okay, I think BullMQ is easier to implement. I think let's go with BullMQ because I have a little bit idea about BullMQ, to be honest. We install this clear package.json, package.json dependency BullMQ and IO Redis. IO Redis, got it. Okay, fine. Lib, email, then redis.ts and prisma.ts. Got it. Close this. Here we have redis.ts, redis.email we have, and I need redis.ts here. Redis.ts here. Fine. Then I need queues and workers. I need queues and workers also. Backend src lib queues. I need queues here What is wrong with my right mouse button? अरे भाई क्यूज anime ori. Yeah, Kafka is a little tough than Bull MQ. Go with Bull MQ. Okay. Edward. Astra, hi, that's a cool, I guess. It's a laptop since you said Iris. Also, it's good to see your stream between breaks, kind of motivation. Cool. Thank you, Edward. Thanks a lot, man. And thanks for joining the stream. Cues. अरे भाई क्या दिक्कत है मेरे राइट माउस के बटन को क्यूज workers queues and workers and module email service template. Then we have starter. Okay, src at the src we need starter worker.ts. Src new file starter worker.ts. Fine. And inside this mod, okay, fine. And then modules we have email as well. Got it. Okay. Redis, it's a simple Redis connection, new Redis host this, port this, max, okay, null. Email client, okay. Lokesh, we time to change mouse. Yeah, man, soon. Recent, okay, lib email.ts. Use recent for sending email, okay, fine. Email queues. Queues, email queue.ts. We have this. Hold on. Inside, let's first create the Docker. Inside my, where was it? Command prompt. Command prompt. Yeah. Here. And I think I made a note for this. I need to start Docker engine because I need Docker for this. Start Docker desktop. Okay, it is taking time. Docker is taking time. Hmm. Okay, Docker has started. Starting the Docker engine. Update available. Not now, later. Starting the Docker engine. And if I do Docker ps dash a, what I get? Redis exited. Okay. So I have here just a sec. Redis image backend, Redis and Mongo. Fine. And Docker, we have Redis. Okay, fine. Redis server. Docker start Redis server. Error response failed to contain network driver failed programming external Redis server. You bind this failed port is already allocated. Okay, port is already allocated. Okay, fine. Let's copy this. Come to GPT. Close this, close this, close this, close this. Come here and go to Chat GPT. Docker PS shows all your running. Yeah, I know. Like Docker PS, there are no. Okay, up about a minute. Okay, my Docker containers are up. Docker container, Docker stop. These are my containers. They are running. Uh, yeah. Then start. Yeah, Docker stop. I need to actually stop all of these services first because they are not needed now. Hold on. Docker name image container. Docker stop. I hope this is the right command. Fine. Yeah, this is the right command. Docker stop. Docker stop Docker stop CLS Docker PS. Fine. Okay. Then Docker start Redis server. Docker PS. Okay, Redis server is now up and running. Cool. Fine, Redis server is up and running. Close this. Your Docker compose down will stop everything. Yeah, like I stopped it. Use the name. Actually, I'm using this Docker command. Basically, if I went in my social media application project, just a sec. If I went here in my MERN, in my projects, here if I went and inside this if now from here if I use Docker Compose, then it would work because this Docker Compose is here, right? So, but there I was doing from the root level, so that's why I was not using Docker Compose. Okay, so this is done. Now let's connect the Redis, lib, Redis. Got it. Then import IO Redis from IO Redis. Export const Redis connection equals new IO Redis host. I am using Redis in Docker. Janil Joshi, hey, you are really working hard. It's really inspiring. Any tips do you want to give as I'm second year computer engineering student? Be consistent, be disciplined, don't waste your time. And if you're running Docker, you only need to change how your node app connects to Redis. The rest of them, okay. Compose better setup. Okay. This is not required. This is not needed now. Hmm. Okay. So my Redis. Okay. What's this? Hmm. There you go. Host. We have load 127.0.0.1. Host port 63796379. Fine. And max retrieve per request. Null. Max retrieves per request null. Now, what is the issue here? Not constructible type of import IO Redis, import IO Redis, new IO Redis. Okay, just a sec. Right, then it's simple Docker compose up and Docker compose down. Yeah. GS Spider, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम। क्या बना रहे हो आप? क्या बना रहे हो भाई? मैं एक B2B SaaS बना रहा हूँ, सॉफ्टवेयर एज अ सर्विस। So that is, but why am I getting this one? Uh-huh. Do I need it is a types? Okay, fine, got it. npm I dash d at the rate types slash io redis. Let's see. Package.json types io redis. Okay, now come here, chat GPT. I'm solving the problem of online and offline businesses who are not able to manage their appointments. Ibrahim Hossein, Lokesh, and Niranjan are missing today. Yeah, man. Lokesh came for a while, then he left. Maybe he's busy or something like that. Okay, so this is my code. I am getting this error. Constructive, okay. Okay, not like this, something like this. Yeah, got it. But now we are getting this issue. Code, not IO Redis, it will be Redis. It will be Redis. I think, okay. Alternative, TS, ES module and your TS module intent for true. Then your code will work. Boolean key plus Redis. Since you're building a point on SaaS, show you the current production. Okay, bye. Close it. So this is done. Email client. Then src lib email.ts. src lib email.ts. Okay. Then import resend from resend. Then export const resend equals new resend process.env dot what was the name dot env dot sample. Open sample file, recent API key. We have the recent API key. Okay, then email.q.ts. Backend src queues email.q.ts. email.q.ts. Janil Joshi, hey, I also come daily. Hello, Janil. Welcome back to the stream, brother. I'm also getting an issue. Can't resolve login with agents. I will use play with or Celerium or create a particular agent to resolve login. What's up, Janil? Sorry, dude. I have no idea. Actually, yeah, Janil also come joins the stream regularly. Email queue. import queue from bullmq, then import Redis connection from lib.redis.js. Okay. Export const email queue new new queue. We have email queue, and then we'll have connection. We have Redis connection. What is the issue? This is my code. This is my redis.ts. Where is it? Redis.ts. This is my email dot qeue.ts. I am getting this error. I am getting this error. What is the error? This one. क्या दिक्कत है भाई इसको? This error happens two different are being used. One installed in a project. Uh-huh. Uninstalled inside bullmq. Creates different types even though they are so Redis from I am Redis. It's okay. Recommended. Do not pass Redis instance. Pass connection based option instead. Okay. bullmq designed to create its own Redis connection. Redis.ts. What are we doing here? Redis.ts. Okay, fine. Let's do this. Let's comment this one for now. And here, basically just the pass the options. Pass the options here and email queue. Okay, now we want to share it. Okay. When you must install to null. Okay. Otherwise, you say Redis spamming must be null. Okay, building branch and species stick. Okay, fine. This is done. This part is also done. YZ, yo, hello YZ, welcome to my stream. Chirag, hello Chirag, welcome to my stream. Why don't you use the coding agents like Claude Code or Cursor? Because I want more control of my code and I want to understand the code base. So yeah. Email template. Right. I think guys, I'll keep it this much for today. So if you enjoyed the stream, do consider subscribing to this channel. Mm-hmm. All right, everyone. I'll wrap up now. Ibrahim, yeah, makes sense. Chira, why don't you use AI for okay. All right, everyone. I'll wrap up now. And thanks for joining the stream. If you enjoyed the stream, do consider subscribing to this channel. And I'll see you in the next stream. Until then, take care of yourself and